Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing venison smashburgers. If you watch any of the other recipes that are out there, they always talk about 20% beef fat in the hamburger that you buy from the store. I'm telling you, venison, as lean as can be, I put a 1 to 2% beef fat add into my venison hamburger that I make. And you'll see right up over here a video that is this burger that I made with my KitchenAid mixer with the grinder attachment. You don't need all that fat in the burger and it comes out just as juicy and just as tasty. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we started the cooking, we had to get all of the dressings and the toppings made. You can put whatever toppings you want on it. For these burgers, we're doing a caramelized onion, avocado egg, and a sweet bang bang sauce. Look down below and you'll see the recipe for that bang bang sauce. We'll save a little bit of that bacon grease from cooking that bacon for use later. So those are all the toppings and fixings put together. Let's go ahead into cooking the avocado with the egg in the middle and then straight into the smash burgers. If you are doing the avocado with the egg in the middle, pay real close attention how we do the flip here. It takes 2 spatulas. You've got to keep that egg from flopping out of the center hole on the side that wasn't cooked. As you flip it over, you use the spatula to do the flip. The rolls that we're going to be using are potato rolls made by Martin's. And these rolls are very chewy, soft. We'll toast them on the griddle at the same time that we're cooking so that you get a little bit of crusty and some heated up buns to go along with the burger. Now that bacon comes into use to provide some of the fat for frying these burgers up. I like to start out with that little ball, let it sit on the grill, get settled in for a little bit, go ahead and start to sear, and then squish it flat. Convenient to get a set of spatulas like this because you can wedge between the grill and that patty as you scrape it off. All that flavor and crust that you've created on that piece of meat comes up with the burger and doesn't stay on the pan. They say the type of cheese is critical. I think any of your favorite cheese, just so happens that American, that processed cheese, is a bit thicker and a bit more gooey and melts well on that burger. Now it's just a matter of assembling the toppings that you like in the order that you like as well. It's a messy burger, but that's half the fun and flavor in this burger. If you look real close at these burgers, you'll notice just like a set of pancakes, you can see that liquid rising up through the burger and through all the little holes and the bubbles that happen in the pancake. It happens in these burgers too. Once you start to see that heat rising through, you've created a crust on the other side. Flip her over and you send that juice back up into that burger patty and it hits that crust that you've made and stays inside the meat. Venison has the same exact juices and flavoring and you don't need all that fat. So this video YouTube says is perfect for your viewing habits. And this is my latest upload. And this is a whole nother series of my cast iron and indoor grilling. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.